Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and you keep getting this error, unsupported graphics card, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Resident Evil 9 easily. So first off, you need to make sure that your graphics card meets the system requirements for Resident Evil 9, and if you're sure that your graphics card meets the requirements, then you can follow on with this tutorial. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'll show you how to do it on NVIDIA first, and afterwards I'll show you AMD and Intel. So just search for NVIDIA GPU here. After that, you're going to go into nvidia.com, click onto drivers here, scroll down, and then fill in this form. Select your graphics card, select the operating system, and then click start search, and then wait for it to find the correct driver for you. Here it is. Download the latest one and then install it, and that should fix your issue if you're on NVIDIA. And now I'll show you AMD. So just open up a new tab, search for AMD GPU, go into AMD.com, click onto resources, and then click drivers, scroll down, click graphics here, select your product family. After that, select your graphics card series, select your graphics card model, click submit, select your Windows. After that, just download the latest driver and then start installing it, and that should fix your issue on AMD. And now for Intel, you're going to open up another tab. You're going to search for Intel GPU, click onto Intel Arc Graphics Overview, and then you're going to click onto Resources, and then click onto Intel Arc Graphics Drivers, click Latest Game on GPU Drivers, download the latest drivers, and then install them. And now you should be able to play Resident Evil 9 and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.